This morning we are visiting a place where people with disabilities go to heal through the power of horses. Stacey is live at Circle C2 in Snellville to tell us all about what this great program has to offer. What a beautiful horse, Stacey.
It was so cute because when Blaze turned the light on, Karen, Puppy, the horse, just looked right at the camera. It's like, you are made for TV.
A star.
Puppy, what a beautiful horse. And he is very sweet. And would you believe he was a rescue? He was actually left here on the farm. We're in Snellville this morning at Circle C2. As you said, a place where children and adults can come for all sorts of therapy. But you know what? This place could not exist without some of the volunteers. Becky, this is Becky. Good morning, Becky.
Good morning.
Now, as a volunteer, what all do you have to do?
I come out and help groom the horses, get them ready for the riders, tack them up, and I help with the riders, sidewalking, making sure they're safe. And
you do a little bit of the dirty work.
I do. I clean stalls. I feed.
We know what that is.
I will do anything they ask me to do. It's just a wonderful place, and it's very rewarding.
And I'm sure the children and everybody here appreciates all that you do. Becky, thank you so much, Puppy. Thank you. I know you got a lot of work to do. Keep Puppy looking beautiful. This is Pam Schlomer. Good morning, Pam.
Good morning.
You're also on the board of directors here. Of course, volunteers are so important, but there's also all sorts of needs that you have here.
Absolutely. We are putting together a scholarship program because the children and the people who come here, many times their families' resources have already been exercised to the maximum, and they simply can't afford it. So what we're hoping to do is to increase awareness so that we can in turn offer scholarships to people who just simply can't afford it. There's a lot of them out there that can't. And we're also looking for some corporate partnerships so that we can make this ongoing.
Yeah. Because, you know, a place like this takes money, and it's a nonprofit organization.
Absolutely. It's a 501(c)(3), and it is completely nonprofit, and we are totally dependent on volunteers, as you've been seeing today, and the donations from the corporate and the community.
Yes.
Most definitely. And we've already had, we want to announce, Miss Evelyn Falls, thank you so very much for giving us permission to announce this. Your son requested, and you were requesting a scholarship for him to be able to be here and ride, and that is really why we're doing this awareness, hopefully to raise some funds.
This is Caroline Jaffe. You started this program 3 years ago. We've been showing this morning. Charlie is one of the recipients. Get over here, Charlie. Are you being bashful now? He couldn't stop talking earlier. Stand right here if you will, Charlie. Yeah. Oh, he wants to go right by the horse.
There you go. You know what this is all about.
So he is one of the recipients of, you know, what all you do here and what all you provide for the children. But you also do things for adults as well.
Yes, yes, we do. We're 50% of St. Joseph Hospital's animal therapy programs for their oncology patients, as well as we are starting a program with the Veterans Administration in Decatur, whereas we're going to have some servicemen and women and also their families. These people have given so much, we can give at least this piece. Anything that we can do to be of service, and also anything that we can do for the children that have such a difficulty communicating.
Because you said horses don't necessarily, a lot of times when you give them commands, it's nonverbal, and that's what these children do as well. They have to communicate sometimes nonverbally.
Right. We have a lot of kids out with processing delays. We're finding a lot of different diagnoses happening right now with kids that are just not able to access their words.
And this lets them. And Caroline, thank you.
Exactly.
Pam, thank you. Becky, thank you. Charlie, thank you. Did you have fun today?
Yes.
Now, you know you're a star already. You were on TV this morning. This is your second. Uh-oh, I think he's giving you a kiss. You like Puppy?
Yes.
Yeah?
Hey, puppy.
All right, Karen. I'm going to send it back to you. Thanks again, Charlie. And again, you can go to myfoxatlanta.com if you want some more information on the program.
All right, Stacey. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Stacey.